Ajet takes another step towards its young fleet goal. Ajet's fourth Boeing 737-8 MAX aircraft has arrived in Istanbul. Ajet continues to rejuvenate its fleet with new generation aircraft. Ajet's fourth factory new aircraft, the Boeing 737-8 MAX registered as TC OHC, was brought to Istanbul Sabiha Gökçen Airport. The new aircraft, which flew from the US to Turkey in 12 hours, was taken to the maintenance center. After cabin fittings and seat installation, the aircraft will begin scheduled flights. As part of its fleet rejuvenation program, Ajet added 3 new factory-fresh Boeing 737-8 MAX aircraft to its fleet in August. Ajet's new aircraft, registered as TC OHA, TC OHB and TC OHD, entered service after the completion of cabin fittings and seat installation. By the end of the year, 10 factory-fresh Boeing 737-8 MAX aircraft will join the A fleet. Don't forget to like, share and follow our page.